Hey everybody, we are taking a little departure from, to put it bluntly, kind of the long equations that take I think really hard to do, and do some simple stuff. And this is talking about purchasing. So most of the stuff we've done so far with simple interest and compound interest and annuities has pretty much been about savings accounts. Now we're going to start saving up our money. We are going to buy some stuff. So first we're going to talk about taxes, discounts, monthly payments, things like that. And I'll be completely honest with this. I took this out of an old Math 20 textbook. It is one of the best and it explains everything we need to know all in one spot using an example. So it says Rand decided to buy a computer system and she has to pay taxes. He's going to do a down payment. So I guess I'm being lazy. I don't feel like reading through that. So let's just go through it. The terms you need to know. List price, also known as the sticker price. It's basically what's on the shelf, right? Taxes aren't included, which then we got taxes. Now, this is an old assignment. It says 13% actually right now. And I guess I should update that to 2021. It's GST is 5% and PST is 6%. So total taxes in Saskatchewan are 11%, but I usually ask you to calculate them out separately. So the cash price is a sum with taxes, right? So in other words, if you paid cash for it or walked out the door with it today, what would you pay? And then, so that's one way to pay for things. Or you can do down payments. So we got a down payment, and that's usually in reference to the cash price. Don't forget to include taxes, I guess is my point. Okay, so the installment plan. So here's your installment plan. It's going to be the down payment and 18 monthly payments of that much. The principal is the difference between the cash price and the down payment. In other words, what you have left to pay off, just like it would be on a regular loan. An installment price is, there's a down payment, and then she's going to make 18 payments of $161.39, which gives a grand total of $34.05. Now this is it's always going to be bigger than the cash price, because whatever company you have is going to charge you something for financing it for you. And then the finance charge, okay, is going to be the difference between the installment price and the cash price divided by your cash price. It's always a cash price on the bottom. And basically it cost her 18.4% to do to buy it on time. Okay, pretty straightforward. And I realized that this video F39 and F40 should have actually just been one, because now we're going to take this information, don't lose it, and we're going to apply it to the next question. All right. So Bev is buying a sewing machine for $26,1786. And that is, okay, so this is the list price, right? So remember, the list price is the amount without taxes. So cash price, we need to find taxes. So GST, EST, as I said, I want them calculated separate. So 5%, so 5 over 100 times 2617.86. Or you can, do like we've been doing, just move it. You can make it into a decimal right away, is what I'm trying to say. And the PST is 6%, so 6 over 100 times 2617.86. So let's figure out those taxes first. 2617 times 0.05. Yeah, just wrote it up like that, and then I just multiplied by 0.05 in the calculator. Same difference, 103.89. I'll do it the same according to my math here. So 6 divided by 100 times 2617.86. 153.86. And it's going to be 157.07. And I need to include my 2617.86, right? Because that cash price is the two taxes plus the original. So 30.89 plus 157.07 plus 2617.86. All right, 2905.82. So in theory, if you walked into the sewing machine store and said, I want to take it home today, I'm paying cash or credit card, it doesn't matter, or whatever, I'm paying, that's how much it's going to be. But instead, she's going to do it on an installment plan. Okay, so installment price, and that's why I have my handy dandy sheet here. Installment price, the sum of the down payment and all the monthly payments. Okay, so that's going to be her original down payment plus 12 payments of $225. One more down. 12 times 225, that's 2,700 plus 50, 31.50. So finance charge. The difference between the installment price and the cash price. Okay. So our installment price, $31.50 minus our cash price, which was 2905.82. Okay, so you don't get to use the list price. It's always going to be with taxes. Minus 2905.82. All right, sorry. I'll put that over there. And it's 244.18. And oh, last bit. What percent is the finance charge of the cash price? Okay, that is our very last part there. It shows you determine what percent. We'll take the finance charge, cash price, and multiply by 100. So it cost us $244.18 out of 2905.82. It's still on there. 2905.82. Now we're going to go times 100 away. You do it all in one step. 8.4%. So that's a good way, you know, if it's 8% if it was only price. But if, I don't know, I bought a house and the difference between my cash price and my mortgage was $244, that would be like amazing, right? So that's what the percent is about. It's just giving you something so you can compare. So if you had another sewing machine for a different price at a different company, and you wanted to compare the finance plans, you could do it by comparing the percents to see what percent it is of the actual cash price. Okay, that's the end of that one.